In previous videos, we've talked about how to create a call and a profile. Those activities are done on your computer only. This video will show you how to write a profile to a microcurrent unit or to read a protocol from the unit. First, connect the unit to your PC. If your unit is an ISO2BA, you'll use a regular USB adapter. If your unit is an ISO2 Pro or the ISO2 LCD, you'll use the standard micro USB cable. Make sure your unit has batteries inside. If your computer is a Windows 10, Windows 10 will automatically install the USB driver for the connection. If your computer is a Windows 7, you may have to manually install the USB driver. I will show you how to do that in just a moment. After your unit is connected to your PC, open Profile Editor. As I mentioned, if your computer is Windows 7, you may have to manually install the USB driver by clicking Tools, and install USB driver here. Now that your unit is connected to your PC, open the patient profile for Mary by going to File, Open Profile, and selecting your profile. The Write button located here, and the Read button is located here. The Write button is used to write or load all protocols from this profile onto the unit. The Read button is used to read protocols from the unit to the software. To load this profile to your unit, click the Write button. You have the option to enter a password here. Then you'll go down to the bottom and click Write. This will write the file to the unit. One important point to note before you click Write is to make sure all the protocols that you want on the unit are listed on the Profile Editor window, because the Write options are listed on the Profile Editor window. To read protocols is very easy. Simply click the Read button and enter your password. There are two purposes for reading the unit. One is to verify the protocols after you've written them, and the other is to read the protocols if you don't have a profile of protocols inside the unit. As you can see, writing and reading to a unit is very easy. If you have any questions, please email us at info@inspirstar.com. Thank you.